What if everything you've been creating with AI wasn't actually yours? I'm talking about the blog posts, the sales pages, the course materials, even the social media captions. Because unless you know what's really going on behind the scenes, you might be giving up the rights to your own brand content without realizing it. Let's break it down so you can protect your content, your business, and your legacy. AI has changed how fast we create, but what hasn't changed is the law. And here's what most business owners haven't stopped to ask. If I use AI to create it, do I actually own it? The answer isn't just important, it's urgent. Because in 2025, your content is currency, and protecting it is non-negotiable. Let's get straight to the point. According to the US Copyright Office, AI-generated content isn't protected unless you add real human authorship. No meaningful input, no copyright, no ownership, no legal protection. So if you're copying and pasting from ChatGPT and calling it your own, that content might be public domain, whether you realize it or not. And no, just paying for a tool doesn't change that. Buying a subscription gives you access, but it doesn't automatically give you rights to the outputs. Ownership doesn't come from the tool. It comes from your contribution. Let me show you what this looks like in the real world. In the case of Zarya of the Dawn, a comic created with Midjourney, the Copyright Office approved protection, then reversed it. Why? Because the images were AI generated, not human made. Artists are suing Midjourney and Stability AI for using their work without consent to train these tools. And Meta's been accused of training AI with pirated books from shadow libraries. If your content was scraped into those data sets, you might be helping train someone else's AI without ever knowing it. This isn't just about art or lawsuits, it's about your business. If you're using AI to build brand assets, without adding your voice, your ideas, your edits, you're publishing content that you may never be able to protect. That blog post you love, that sales funnel you're building, if someone copies it, you might have zero legal standing. And in a world where content drives connection and conversion, that's a major risk. So what can you do? First, add your genius. Use AI to draft, but shape it, rewrite it, make it yours. Second, document your process. Keep your prompts, save your outlines. Show your human fingerprint in every piece you publish. Third, choose tools that honor your rights. Read their terms, look for clear licensing, don't assume anything. AI can be your most powerful assistant, but only if you stay in the driver's seat. I'm not here to scare you. I use AI in my business every day. But I also know this. If you're serious about building a brand that lasts, you need to understand the rules of ownership before someone else owns your content. Because visibility without protection, that's exposure. So here's the takeaway. AI doesn't give you automatic ownership. Human input matters, legally and creatively. Document your process. Choose tools that respect your IP. Create smart, protect smarter. That's why I built the How to Protect Your IP course, to help entrepreneurs like you understand what's actually yours and how to defend it. Right now, the first 5 people who sign up get the course for free in exchange for honest feedback. After that, I've added bonus gifts and special offers, so everyone still walks away with value. If you're using AI in your business, don't just create, own it. Click the link in the description and start protecting your genius today. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more clarity on AI, innovation, and legacy building. And tell me in the comments, how are you using AI right now? Is it truly your content? Let's talk about it.